Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who are new, hi, I'm Lola and welcome. So today, as you can tell by the title and hopefully by my eyes, I'm basically creating a foxy eye makeup look, and I think I did a good job if I do say so myself. Honestly, it was really fun making it, and I saw so many pictures on Pinterest. It's very much a trend right now, and I think it might have been Kim Kardashian that had something to do with it, but do not quote me on that. If I'm wrong, sorry. But anyway, I created this look. I wanted something that was kind of everyday-esque, with a little bit of pizzazz. And it also has kind of like a 90s vibe. I've been so into 90s right now. Don't ask me why. I don't know. Maybe it's because I am a 90s baby. But anyway, I keep rambling. Let me get on to the video. Okay guys, so I started doing my face and I basically wasn't sure what I wanted to film. So now that I know what I want to film, it doesn't really make sense the way that I filmed. Basically, I need to put tape onto my face so that I can create a sharp angle, and obviously I've done my base, so it doesn't really make sense that I've done my base, but you know, we move, it's fine, it's all good, it's all good. But how flawless is my base? Yes, even my sister was telling me how flawless it is. I basically used the Anastasia Beverly Hills stick foundation. I wanted to give myself a very bronzy look, so that's why I went with this one, because I love the finish of this foundation. It's a really good one, but it's also a bit darker than my normal shade. So if I show you my chest, which is where I normally match my foundation to, but because it's covered, I just matched it to my neck. So that's why I'm looking all bronzy and flawless right now. Anyway, that is not the point of this video, so let's move on to the actual look. So as you know by the title and probably my introduction by now, you know that I'm going to do a foxy eye look. So since I can't use sellotape, I'm going to use a post-it note. Firstly, because sellotape may be a bit too sticky for me to use right now because I've done my base already, and if you're like me and you've done this is probably a good option for you. And secondly, I can't find scissors, so this already has a sharp edge. I don't need to cut anything, I'll just rip and stick. Okay, so enough rambling, let's get on to it. So what you want to do when you rip the sellotape or sticky note or whatever, you want to tap it onto the back of your hand to make it a little less sticky, but you don't want it to be completely not sticky. And then you want to place it onto the corner of your eye, like so. So you want to make sure they're kind of even. And I would suggest putting them at like a 45-degree angle, not too high. So I'm going to start off with an eye primer, and I'm going to use the Urban Decay eye primer in the shade, what's this shade? Caffeine. And I'm actually going to just dab it onto the eyelid. This is just going to give me like a nice neutral base. So for the purpose of this video, I think I'm going to zoom you guys in a bit closer. So the palette that I'm going to use today is the Glow Pot palette. This was kindly gifted to me maybe like 6 months ago, and I really like it. It's such a great neutral palette, and I think the colours in here are perfect for the look that we're going to go for today, and they're definitely chocolate girl friendly. So I'm going to start off with this kind of burnt orange tone. Unfortunately they don't have any names, so I'm just going to take this fluffy brush, and this is the MAC 217S. I'm going to just make sure this is laying down flat and just start along my outer corner and just blend that into my lash line and into my crease. So I just want to make the eyes a bit warmer and add a little bit of the orange. So I'm using the Revolution Patricia Bright eyeshadow palette. This is also a great palette. but this is definitely a lot more colourful. So I'm just going to go into the shade Yes Peaches. I know that it looks very intense, but I'm just going to tap lightly and just add that into my crease. Again, using a fluffy brush. This is just a mini version of the same brush. And I'm just going to tap in there and just go a little higher into my crease. And then bring it into the lash line as well. Just add that really nice warmth. Okay, I really love that. So now we want to make it darker along the lash line and just basically smoke out our eye. Love it. So first I'm going to go in with a darker shade, which is this one right here, back into the Glow eyeshadow palette, into the bottom, what's that, left hand corner. Okay guys, so I've put the brown, the darker brown, but I'm going to go in again with the orange brush. I'm not adding any more product, I just want to blend so that you don't lose the orange that I added. Now for the most intense part, we're going to go in with the black. So on the bottom right, and just tap so you don't have too much product on the brush, and you really just want to focus that on on basically this bit of the eye, on the outer corner. Like, depending on your eye shape and the amount of space you have between your eyes and the end of your brows, you can smoke it out and drag it out as much as you want. I generally wouldn't go past my eyebrow because it will look a bit funny. So I'm just gonna really just focus it there. You want there to be like a gradual transition. So from the orange to the brown to the black. That looks so cool, guys. I definitely look like a fox. Okay, so what we want to do now is just smoke underneath the eyes, just a little bit, because I feel like it looks a bit top heavy right now, and I'm just mainly going to focus it on the outer corner part. So I'm going to go in with the brown brush and go in with the first shade that we used, and just smoke my under eye. And then going in with the black, just going to focus it on the outer part of the lower lash line. If it helps, you can just pinch your brush to make it flat, and then you can just go straight in. Okay, so you can leave it like this, or you can do what I'm about to do, and you want to get a felt tip eyeliner, and then in the inner corner you just want to create a little triangle just to emphasize the inner corner of my eye. Okay guys, so my SD card was full, so I basically took that opportunity to put my lashes on and to finish off the rest of my face. So I used the orange eyeshadow as blush, and then I did kind of like a 90s vibe lip. I'm obsessed with 90s at the moment. So what I did is I used my eyebrow pencil, the Eyelure brow pencil in dark brown, and then I mixed my Dose of Colours and this Collection Velvet Kiss lip cream, I think it is. Yeah, lip cream. And that's the combination on my lips at the moment. I think it's very cute. I wanted a little bit of orange just to, you know, have everything more monochrome kind of vibe. I really feel like my eyes are so snatched right now, and it's not just because I have my hair up. Like, honestly, this does make your eyes like more foxy. Yeah, so I had so much fun filming this look for you guys, and please let me know what you think. If you enjoyed it, I would love to know. I kept my brows very bushy so that, you know, goes with the whole foxy vibe. And that's it. That's the final look. As always, if you like the video, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button so you don't miss my future uploads. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.